It's your latest stock market update, including the crisis in Iran and Israel. Right now we're seeing that Iran has been attacking Israel. That's an escalation in the conflict. Of course, the market sold off on Friday to some extent, knowing or realizing that there was a potential. That was a sell-off. They expected, therefore, to continue to be a sell-off. Some stock are doing well, of course. That means companies in the sector that have defense stock, are doing well. So you can imagine in this sort of situation, gold has gone up in value. Did people know before it happened? Because we've seen the gold price go up as China has bought. But has there been other buying? Again, it's speculation, but expect gold to continue to increase as people look for assets that are secure. Of course, when we look back over history, we can see that the stock market, yes, it's volatile, but there's been many events like this one over history. If we go back, we'll see that within 24 months, historically, the stock market has always increased when there's been an event, there's been a sell-off, and actually it comes back to higher than where it was before. Of course, no one's got a crystal ball, no one knows the future, but that's historically what's happened. So if you're investing money, you might want to go fixed yield because it's going to get volatile. On the other hand, you may realize that war seems to have a temporary effect on the stock market. You make your own opinion up. For me as an investor, I will look for opportunities to invest in quality stock. I'll also, of course, be concerned about exactly what's happening. I'll keep you up to date. Make sure you give me a follow or a subscribe, and then you'll be kept up to date what's happening in the markets. Right now we're seeing sell-off, gold up, defense stock up. There'll be other gainers in the market. Of course, we're concerned about events, but also we know not to panic. We know markets are independent of what happens elsewhere in the world, elsewhere in the world, independent of what is happening.